If you have set out to conquer the Chinese market, why not take a look at the program? And maybe I'll see you there. My name is Nora Soon, and I'm on the expert team of the Bridge to China program.
Since 2010, I've been helping companies enter the Chinese market.
The Chinese market is very complex, yet very promising.
If you are a startup and you want to understand your opportunities in China,
if you want to expand your business and want to expand quickly, you must keep an eye on China.
Perfect matches with mentors, great sessions, and a holistic approach to building the cultural bridge.
Bridge to China is our preferred choice.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our presentation.
Good morning to everyone.
My name is Felix.
Yeah. Hello everybody.
And I'm Managing Director of Decoding.
I'm co-founder and co-CEO of Plasmion.
Think Reality offers the safest and most versatile VR and AR experiences.
We have some important partners that are already using our solution.
You will gain valuable insight, desire and confidence in how to both build your business either in or with China.
Find someone who can translate your culture.
Make the first steps into that very beautiful and interesting country.